Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to see your liked Instagram Reels. This is a very easy tutorial and all you have to do is to launch your Instagram application. Once you're here, go to your profile, like this one. On the top right corner, kindly click the hamburger icon. After clicking the hamburger icon, click your activity. Under activity, scroll down and look for interactions. Click this one and then click likes. Now, as you can see here, these are the videos and photos that you have liked, and you can just watch them again to make sure that you have seen them before. So once you interact to a post, or it's either you like or share or save this one, you can see it in the interaction feature on Instagram. But as you can see here, our tutorial is all about how to see your like Instagram Reels, so you can see this activity under interactions feature on Instagram. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.